The T48S supports both local conference calling and network conference calling. You can create a local conference with two parties in the following way. First, while you are on a call with the first party, press the conference key. This will put the call on hold. Then, call the second party number. After the second party answers, press the conference key to begin the three-way conference. During the conference, you can perform a variety of options. Press the mute function key, and the conference will be placed on mute mode. Pressing the hold key, the conference will be put on hold. Press hold function key or resume to continue the conference. Additionally, users can control each party separately by pressing the mute, hold, or remove options on the screen. The split key can split the conference into two individual calls. At this time, the host and the other two calls will be placed on hold. You can choose one party to continue talking by pressing resume or hold function key to continue talking and easily switch between them. To reestablish a three-user conference, choose one party and press resume, press conference, then choose the hold number on the left side of the screen to join the conference again.